Good morning, everyone. Welcome again to my channel, Second Math Hub, the solution to your math problems. Let's solve this past question on core mathematics, November-December 2024. Objective question number 48. So we are to express 0.00003963 in standard form. So how do we do that? So this is what we do. We are going to move the decimal point until we get to the first significant number. And for this given number, there is the first significant number. So let's move the decimal point to the first significant number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So this is the first step, second, third, fourth, and then fifth. So let's start writing the number starting from the first significant number. So we have 3. So now this is the new position of the point. 0.963 and times 10. There should be an index. So should the index be positive or negative? Yes, we know that we moved 5 steps, but will the index be positive or negative? So in standard form, this is what you should take note of. When you move the decimal point in the right direction goes with a negative index. On the other hand, when you move the decimal point to the left direction, that will have a positive index. In this case, we moved in the right direction 5 times. So the index becomes negative 5. The index becomes negative 5. So let's take note. In standard form, right movement will have a negative index, and also a left movement will have a positive index. So with this, what should be the right answer? So from the alternatives, the right answer is option D. Like, comment, and share the videos for others to also benefit. Thanks for watching.